Namaste to all you cosmic souls. Welcome to today's reading. Today we're going to again have a different space for the reading and see how this works out, maybe better than the last time. We are going to start with 3 guidance cards, which I will be showing you. So the first card we have is beauty. So this card is basically about finding beauty in everything, finding beauty within yourself and especially your heart space, finding beauty in the emotions and the feelings that you personally have, and not necessarily being affected by what other people have to say about your emotions, because they are your emotions and it's about how you feel at this point in time. It's not about how others are perceiving you. It's about how you feel. So if you feel like you're in love with yourself, with somebody else, whatever it is, feel the love completely. Allow the love to shine. Allow the healing energy of love to come all around you. And allow that to allow you to grow and to glow. Second card we have today is comfort. What is comfort? Comfort is not being in your comfort zone. It's not about being comfortable in a certain space. It's about being comfortable in your own body, being comfortable in your own mind, being comfortable in your own energy space. So again, what exactly is it that you are looking for? What is comfort to you? And is it time for you to move out of your comfort zone? Or have you made the space you are in your comfort? Is that actually comfortable for you? Or does that just make you feel secure and safe? It's just something to think about. Find your passion. And passion, when you have passion, comfort doesn't always come with it. I just saw 222 on the clock, the recording clock. So this is the angels telling you to move forward with whatever it is that you feel is right for you, whatever it is that is your personal passion. And your passion will take you out of your comfort zone, and it may not always be as exciting as you expect. There will always be challenges in the way. So, don't expect it to all be very comfortable, because you will have to move out of that space for you to move forward. So you're getting stagnant in your comfortable space, and when I say stagnant, you may like the space you are in, but this stagnance is coming from just sitting in the same space. You have the abundance, you have everything that you need, but because you're not moving forward, there is no new energy created. I mean, as such, you don't create new energy, you just cleanse your energy and re-energize. So you're sitting in the same energy without any change, and you've become so comfortable with it that moving forward, it doesn't even seem like something that you need to do. You don't feel like doing it. And this is a time to refresh that energy. It is a time to refresh that whole space as a whole, moving into a completely new dimension of yourself, finding a new part of yourself maybe. Okay. Talking to others about how you feel and how things make you feel. Is this something that you want to continue? Is this something that you want to take forward? And do you need to talk to people about it? Sometimes other people's opinions may confuse you even more than what you are actually moving towards, and that can confuse you even more to stay where you are. So make sure that you're doing the right things. And when I say the right things, I mean follow your gut, follow your instinct, because you're already moving towards a certain form of completion. And as you keep moving forward, new things are going to be building for you. And as these new things build, it's also going to bring you a lot of abundance. This kind of abundance comes with a lot of giving. And with a lot of giving, a lot comes back to you. Maybe not from the same source or the same people, but it definitely is taking you somewhere, to a different place, to a different space, to a different form of energy as well. Okay, this is not staying here. Where can we put it? All right. What else do we need to hear or know today? Is there any guidance the angels, the sea would like to give us today? You are taking one step at a time to move towards abundance. You are kind of creating a space that you are comfortable living in. You are creating a space that you personally enjoy. You are taking it one step at a time, and if you are not, it is time to take it one step at a time. Don't crowd too many things together, because it might confuse you itself, right? So we want to take it one step at a time to move forward. We have the Nine of Pentacles, we have the Ten of Pentacles, we have Page of Pentacles, we have the Nine of Pentacles. So there is something definitely to do with your abundance. And when I say your abundance, I don't only mean yourself and your financial abundance, I also mean within yourself as a person, growing into this new person. And I also feel like you are probably very connected to nature, or you like a lot of grapes and cherries. Maybe, you that kind of refreshes your energy, and that is allowing you to move forward into whatever it is that you are looking to move towards at this point of time. Don't crowd yourself with too much work, and rather let it come to you as time passes. All right, we have the Ten of Cups, which is signifying a happy ending and an emotional rebirth, an emotional completion. So if you're looking for some kind of closure, that closure is coming. If you're looking towards moving towards building a proper family for yourself, and if you're worried about, am I going to be able to create the family that I want to create, then the answer is 100% yes. Okay, so there's nothing to worry about. There's only a refreshing start of energy to release any stagnant that you may have created over time. We're going to ask one yes or no question. So if you have any question in mind, think about that question. And if you don't have a question, that's okay too. We will still read the card as it comes and as it is. Don't overthink this. Don't overthink the situation. Don't overthink your question even, because it's not necessary for you to overthink the question. Your answer is a maybe. Okay, this can go very positive, but it also can go negative. So what I would say is that it is time to actually go within and seek the answer for yourself. See what actually feels right for you, rather than just moving to a conclusion without any proper confirmation. You're just moving towards something. Move with clarity. So go within, seek the answers within yourself. Let's check all the cards once. We have beauty, comfort, and passion. Passionately moving into your existence, moving into the person that you are becoming right at this point in time.